Today's workout is going to be just a 10 rep of each one, so a giant set, and then we're going to do 30 seconds rest. So the exercises are, we're going to do deadlift from the floor, and then we're going to hold the kettlebell, do a squat, and then we're going to do a shoulder press, and then we're going to do press ups. So Gemma, if you want to do more squats or more deadlifts when we're doing the press ups, that's absolutely fine. So when we're doing the shoulder press. So the idea is that you constantly are holding the kettlebell through the first 3 exercises, and then we do a press up after that. So as always, we're going to do a warm up. So get your kettlebell, and we're going to do just 5 reps of each one for a warm up. So nice and slow, don't go crazy on the first set. And we're going to do 5 sets total, so it'll be about 10 minutes or so total workout. So okay, so let's get started, get in position. Okay, so 5 deadlifts to start. So just slowly work your way through. Now this one should hit the glutes and the back, depending on where you want to target. If you want to target the glutes, lean forward ever so slightly. Okay, so 5 of those. Then we're going to go into squat. So hold the kettlebell here. Go nice and slow so that your knees, like mine, are not creaking, and they're nice and lubricated for the next exercise. Okay, and then we're going to go to shoulder press, so we can do it double-handed. So come from the side here, just 5 for the warm-up. Drop it right down to the chest here, and then above the head at the top. And then we're going to do press-ups, 5 of those. So get into position. Okay, 5 press-ups. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you pause at the bottom of the press up. 4 and 5. It's quite a simple circuit, really. It's just going to do legs, back, shoulders, and chest. It's basically full body workout, full body circuit. So we're going to go 10 reps of each one. If you need to get some water now. Hydrate, and then we're going to go through it. So 10 of each exercise, and then a 30-second rest at the end. Then we're going to do that 5 times. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go on it. Okay, let's go. 10 deadlifts. Now take your time doing these. We've got 5 sets, so no need to smash through as fast as possible. I think that's fine. Let's do a couple more. Lost count then. Is that 10? I don't know. Let's do squats. Okay, 10 squats. 1, 2, just started great already. 3, lost count on the first exercise. 4, couple more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into shoulder press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Into press ups, and then pause at the bottom. Okay, in position, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, nice, easy first circuit. Let's go 30 seconds. Ooh. Just get your hydration in. It's going to be a fairly Extreme affair today because I've got a little bit of a cold. But we are going to get a sweat on. Okay, just 10 seconds and we'll go into it again. So you should feel the heart rate elevating all the way through. By the time we get to set 5, should be fairly fairly in the yellow or maybe red zone. Okay, ready? Okay, let's go. Deadlifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight into squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get nice and deep in the squats. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulder press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Into press ups for 10. Okay, into position. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, rest. 30 seconds. Get your water in. Everyone got their Easter eggs ready for the weekend? I haven't even bought any yet. Maybe I can get away with not buying anything till Monday and they'll be half price. The skills, entrepreneur skills. 4 seconds. Okay, let's go into, oh, come on, watch. Deadlifts, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into squats, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulder press, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Into press up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Rest. 30 seconds. I think that was set 3. 2 more to go into my green zone so I know I'm doing something. Ten seconds before we start again. Get your breath back. Okay, 5 seconds. Ready? Go again. 10 deadlifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. straight into squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, shoulder press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, into press ups. Go for 10. Okay, into position. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, rest. 30 seconds. What's the calories? Only 115 calories. But I am hanging from cold. So it's always a good idea to do a little bit of exercise when you've got a cold, but certainly not kill yourself doing it. There's certain evidence to suggest that doing a little bit is good, but a lot is not good. Alright, set 5, let's get it going. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, into squats, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, shoulder press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Press ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, you know, I think we can have a bonus round, so we'll do one more set. Been a very short workout, I think it's only in just on 15 minutes, so let's do one more set. If I die on camera, call the paramedics. Okay, 5 seconds, one more. Okay. Right, last set. Let's go. 10 deadlifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, let's go. 9 and 10. Straight into squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Couple more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulder press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Right, last press ups. 4 10 then. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. That'll do it, I think. That's a short one today. Slightly less intense than, say, Mondays or last Fridays. But I am not very well today, a little bit of a cold. So hopefully that was okay. Hopefully you got a sweat on. I certainly burnt about 174 calories in about 13 minutes. So I'm quite happy with that. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. If you haven't checked in, please go and check in now. And have a great Easter weekend. See you later.